Well, hi, Miss Gibbattee. Hi. Yeah? This is my big dog. She's a beastie. That's my Casey again. Look, big dog. She hates Casey. She does. She only puts up with her because I tell her to. Come here, Gibbattee. Yeah, I see. Look, put your Airedale on a 5-second pause. They hear you. They will respond. Gibbattee. Beastie. Come on, look at me. Look at me. Gibbattee. If your Airedale's not looking at you, they're not listening. Yeah, my dog. Beastie. Look at you. Look at you. You're a beastie. Now, and Casey is one of her girls. So Casey's a beastie too. And they are fighting over this ball. Do you want that ball? That's really not a good looking ball. It's got slobber on it and missing things. But that's an Airedale Terrier Kong ball. And they love them. Because look, they usually squeak. Does this one squeak? Oh yeah, no, this one doesn't squeak. Look, there comes Duke. Duke. Look, there go Casey. Look, if I was Tom Brady. Oh yeah, good job. Good job, Casey. All right, well, folks, I wanted to show you Gibbattee. Yeah, Gibbattee being a beastie.